Hello everyone, I'm back on the video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to install and set up Eclipse IDE 2025-12 on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to make sure Java JDK is installed on your system. We already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have installed Java JDK, you can simply install Eclipse IDE to do Java programming. For that, simply open any browser, visit eclipseide.org. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Then click on the download button and download it for Windows operating system. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 160 MB. So let me complete the download process. Once it gets downloaded, simply open the installer file. Here we have the Eclipse installer. Let me minimize the browser. If you get a warning sign, simply click on it. Then click on update and update the Eclipse installer. Then select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, simply click on launch button. Now select your workspace directory by clicking on browse button and browse the location. Then click on launch. And after that, you are ready to use Eclipse IDE on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.